What's up everyone and hello, welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing for today, and this is from Temu. Okay, so here it goes guys. So this is from Temu. So let's go gonna so without further ado, let's gonna open this up. So let's gonna unbox it. Okay, so there are three items on this. So I forgot what are those items that I bought from Temu, right? So okay, so okay, I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so first is this one. Okay, so let's go gonna first this one. So I've got this stylus, right? Stylus for tablet. Also I got a stylus for tablet, and it's also for phone also, right? So let's go gonna try it up. Okay, so let's go gonna try. I'm gonna open some, and then these are dual, right? So I'm gonna have to choose this. So let's go gonna try this up. Okay, let's go gonna try. So okay, oops, okay. So this is I think okay, okay, and there, okay, there goes. So there you have it. So it's good. So this one right here is a pen, right? So if you want to, let's go to the notes. So let's try. Okay, okay, oh okay, so this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to put right now, right? But good, overall good, right? So gonna have to check that out. So another, there's also uh because these are three pieces, right, for me to have this stylus pen, right? So okay, so gonna move over to the next. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this back first in the plastic. So okay, gonna have to open this up. So let's go. I'm gonna check. So I believe, yes, I believe this is a mouse. Okay, I forgot. So let's go. I'm gonna open this up, and then let's go gonna check what is this kind of mouse that I have. Okay, so is there any, right, there's a cable on it, and it's already a type C. Okay, okay, and then we've got some user manual, right? So okay, here it goes. Is the charger for this one. It is the USB-C for the charging cable. And let's go check this out. Okay, oh wow, okay, nice. Okay, I love it. So okay, we've got some what is this right here? Alright, so nice. And it's also clickable, and there's no noise. So there's the receiver over here. So this is the receiver of the mouse, right? So there's the receiver of the mouse over here. So it is black, right? So, and it's also, you just have, yes, there's a Bluetooth. So okay, as you can see right here, off, and you have to transfer it into 224G. So gigabit, I think, right? So 34G. So nice, perfect, and also, oh nice. I really love the style of this one, right? So okay, on to the next is this one right here. I believe this is a massager, right? Okay, what is this? Okay, okay, this is an smart wireless handy massager. So right, so let's go gonna open this up, and then we got some charger. Okay, where's the charger for this one? Okay, there's a go. It says smart wireless massager, handy massager, right? So safe touch screen, built-in battery, USB charge, smart mode. What is this one right here? So we got some specs right here. So rated power of 5 watts, product size of 1.250 millimeter by width of 50 millimeter by height of 78 millimeter. So net weight for this one is 240 grams. Material for this one is silicon plus ABS. Input is AC 100 to 240 volts to 50 and 60 hertz. Output is DC 5 volts 1.0A. Accessory is main machine, manual, USB cable, timer, 10 minutes per time. So, okay, nice. Okay, this one right here, as you can see, neck massage, body massage, and also got the shoulder massage over here. So, and also this from China, right? So okay, nothing to worry about nothing to worry about made in China, but you know, sometimes China is made of good products also, right? If you want to buy, so if you want to buy from China, so don't hesitate to buy it. It's because most Chinese people are hardworking people, just like us. Okay, so okay, here's the massage. Okay. Okay, this is not charging it up, so I think I need to charge. I think I need to charge this up, right? So, okay, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna have to charge this. Okay, let's go. Gonna charge it up. So I think I have a power bank. So for me to charge it, so this is the power bank over here. Here, so gonna have to take some power bank. Okay. So okay, let's go gonna charge it up. Okay. Okay, here it goes and it's already charging. So it's still not it's still not charged so right, it's still not, so it is not fully charged. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna be, how long does it charge this one, right? And it's also, I really love the ergonomics of this one, and it's also, I love the right? So this one right here is also good. So got some, I think, modes right over here. So it still needs to it still need to fully charge this one. It still needs to fully charge for this one, right? So this is just only for the unboxing also. So I'm gonna have to uh, update for the for the product for this one, if it's gonna be working, right? So it's up to you if you want to buy some from the Temu, right? So it's all about taking care of your items if you want to buy something from Temu, right, or AliExpress. But sometimes sometimes vloggers also really did dirty to the online shoppers, right? So such like AliExpress, Temu, that kind of people that says that is Temu scam, is AliExpress scam, right? So I know that kind of vlogger, right? So a tech vlogger. So I really hate that kind of vlogger that insulting that kind of right? So for me, I don't need to I don't need to so right, and it's still charging it up. So okay, so I'm gonna have to try it. I'm gonna have to try. Okay, if I'm gonna take this off. So okay, it's gonna, okay, okay, so okay, there it goes. It's already, so it just need to long press, right? Okay, okay, and then okay, nice. Okay, I love the you know so I have a trigger finger right over here. So I just need to that feeling. Oh, love it. Okay, because I have a trigger finger over here, so that's why I need to massage it. Right, so this is perfect, right? Nice. Okay. Okay, and then okay. So this one right here is this one right here is this one right here is the first mode, right? So okay. Nice. Love it. Oops, okay. So okay, so perfect. So it just have to, I it just have to, what is this called? So the indicator of this one, I think blue. If the if it's the LED indicator turn blue, so that will be the full battery for this one, right? So perfect. Nice. And also I've got some carpal tunnel in my right hand, so I think I need to massage it also. This one is perfect, right? So this one is perfect for me to have this, and also my other hand right here is also, I have a trigger finger in this one, so I think I need to massage that one also, right? So perfect. And also I really love this one. Why is it pink? Okay, so I think there's no other color for it, so but hey, at least I have it. Okay, so nice. Oh, so okay, so I think that's it for today's vlog. So, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay, and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more. Is because also I'm gonna give some feedback for this one, right? So I'm just wait for it. Is because my laptop also is coming from AliExpress. Okay, so hope so, right? So hope so. That there's gonna be a laptop coming. Okay, so stay tuned, and also thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so description, I will link down below. I will put down the link in the comment section and also in the description box below, so that you will see all of the products that you can see. So sometimes Temu delete the item in their inventory or in their database, so that's why it's missing. So all of my previews that I bought from Timo they deleted it. Yeah, they deleted it, so I don't know what's wrong. So maybe they don't want to see the item that is gonna be shared. So because sometimes also people sometimes also buyers have some issues about the item that they bought. So for me, there's no reason for me to, but hey, you can still watch the you can still see the items that I bought. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you. So see you again in the next video, everyone.